It's Patrick and Jim at Pals, and we've got a Grand Caravan here. Jim, what are we doing to this Grand Caravan?
Grand Caravan's getting back brakes.
Back brakes. Yep. Now you've got the caliper off here. What's going on?
Well, the vehicle was brought in. They had a complaint that said the brakes were making noise and felt like they were grabbing, which they were. What it turns out was happening was the caliper was staying stuck, pushed on, but most of it was because the slides on your brake pads here. This is what they call the slides. Your brake pads are supposed to slide in and out. As you can see, this one is
Holy
stuck.
cow.
So what's been happening is every time they stepped on the brake, it'd pull it further and further, and it'd hold it there because it wouldn't release. So it ended up heating up, and what happens when it heats up, it starts to cook the caliper. It gets hot and starts to melt the rubber and the seals and everything.
So you're going to replace the calipers with brand new.
Yep, brand new calipers, brackets, rotors, and brake pads.
And brake pads. So this is a full brake job on the rear of this car. If you've got a Caravan and it's got a brake problem, bring it to Pals. See you soon.